Greetings from Central Florida. It's the middle of January and I've been doing a bunch of seed starting. So I've just got all my seeds out here on the table. These over here are my cool season crops and these over here are warm season crops. So these are for some succession plantings I'm doing for my cool season winter garden, which is in full swing right now. I've already got a lot of these growing out there, but I'm planting another batch to replace the ones I'm harvesting. So we've got lettuce. These are some of my favorite lettuce blends. Spinach and carrots. I've got two different kinds of carrots, and beets and broccoli. I've also got cauliflower and collards and kale out there, which you could plant those now if you wanted to. I just don't need any more of them right now because the collards and kale I just keep harvesting and letting it grow back. So if you don't already have those growing out in your garden, you could start them now. Other things you could start now are radish, Brussels sprouts, cabbage, celery, mustards, onions, peas, potatoes, turnips. All of those are cool season crops. I don't have any of those growing, but they're cool season crops that could be grown in the winter. Here's some herbs I'm going to start now. These are cool season herbs: catnip, chives, thyme, and coriander. And then over here I'm getting ready for the spring garden because spring is right around the corner. And I always start my tomatoes and peppers in January, and I grow them indoors for the first 4 to 6 weeks. And I don't transplant them outdoors until after the danger of frost has passed, which for me, I'm in zone 9B. So here in the 9B zone, our last average frost date is between February 11th and February 20th, I believe. So I usually wait until after that to plant any warm season crops outside. And then I'm actually trying to stagger my plantings of tomatoes and peppers. Also, I have a ridiculous amount of seeds. I mean, these are all different varieties of tomatoes, different varieties of peppers. I have a bit of a problem buying too many seeds and trying too many things, and it's overwhelming to plant that many things all at once. So this year I'm trying to do better and just plant a few at a time. So I'm going to start these plantings now in January, and then I'll do another batch in February of some other varieties of tomatoes and peppers. As you can see, I really like getting things from Seed Savers Exchange. That's one of my favorite companies, and Baker Creek and Southern Exposure Seed Exchange. Those are all good companies. Oh, also Johnny Seeds. I get a lot of seeds from there as well. I'm also going to start some basil indoors. That's a warm season crop also. And some marigolds. I'm actually not sure if marigolds like warm season or if they can do okay in the cold, but I just figured I'd start them indoors just in case. So yeah, that's what I'm working on now for January, and I will show you a little slideshow after this of what I've got growing in the garden right now. Have a lovely day.